Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. For that, you have to simply download the Omang app on your phone. As soon as you open the Omang app, you will see the dashboard here. Here you simply have to search for EPFO in the search box. After searching, you have to click on EPFO below the department. As soon as you click, you will see a lot of options on the next screen. Here you have to click on the first option, View Passbook. As soon as you click, you will see below that you will be asked to log in here. So here you have to click on Get Started. As soon as you click, you have to log in to the Omang app with your login details on the next screen. If you are not registered on the Omang app, then click on Register here below and register on the Omang app with your mobile number. And you have to create your password IM PIN here. After registering on Omang app, you can also log in through OTP without a password. To log in here, you have to enter your mobile number first. After that, you have to enter your password IM PIN below and click on Login. As soon as you click, you will be asked for your universal account number on the next screen. Here you have to enter your universal account number and click on the Submit button below. As soon as you click, you will be asked for some permissions to update your profile. Here you have to click on Allow. As soon as you click, a list of all the companies you have worked in will be opened on the next screen. And you will also see your member ID. So you have to click on the member ID the PF account balance you want to check. As soon as you click, your PF passbook will be opened on the next screen. Here you can easily check how much PF has been deposited in your PF account and how much PF has been withdrawn. And how much interest has been paid on the PF balance by EPFO. You can check all these things in detail. After that, if you want to download the PF passbook, you have to click on Download below. As soon as you click, your PF passbook will be downloaded in PDF format. And as soon as you open the PDF file, you will see the PF passbook here in some way. So friends, if you are having any problem with your PF passbook portal and you are not able to check the balance of your PF account. So in this way, with the help of Omang app, you can easily check your PF balance. Or you can download your PF passbook.